Hi, welcome back to my channel. Is ID Francis here, and today I'm gonna show you how to change the color of your hair without using any harsh chemicals. So do ensure that you like, subscribe and share this video with your friends while we go into the rest of the video. What you will need to make this is any shampoo of your choice or a conditioner. And the next thing you're going to be using is the aloe vera gel. Please ensure you get the one that is natural. If you can get the aloe vera plant and extract the gel yourself, that is also excellent. Then you're going to be needing a coffee. Any coffee of your choice will just serve that purpose. The next thing you do is just to take few, like a teaspoon, depending on the volume of your hair and the gray hair, of the coffee, and put it in a cup. Add some water little by little until you achieve the consistency that you need. This will enable the coffee to dissolve properly. You can see me adding the water little by little, so I'm just going to mix this until it is dissolved. Just a bit creamy consistency is just fine. Then the next thing I'll do is just to take some of the shampoo. Ensure just put the quantity that you need depending on the volume of your hair and the gray hair that you have. I'm going to be adding the aloe vera gel as well, and allow these two to mix very well before I do any other thing. Mix. Then I'm gonna add my coffee that I diluted with water and mix it very well. Again, I'm just being careful here because I don't want it to spill, but ensure that you mix it very well until you no longer find the lumps in it. Then I'm adding oil. That's the neem oil. Just feel free to add any oil of your choice. Then I'm adding the mint oil. I'm gonna mix all this together. It is always important to add oils to any of your hair care products because it could be drying, so the oil will actually help it moisturized. So this is just all. It is actually very simple. If you try this with consistency, you'll see that you're actually going to change the color of your hair. Thank you. Do like this video and share it with your friends. Bye.